Thanks to the fact that there are more and more robot vacuum manufacturers every day, it's really hard to determine which models are great and which ones will break down at the sight of dust. If you do want one but have no idea which specs and features to look for, keep watching. In this video, we break down the top 5 robot vacuums on the market this year, based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So, if you're interested in finding out which robot vacuum will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we may not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First on our list is iRobot Roomba 980, our choice for the best Roomba robot vacuum. Let's start with the best, and then we'll take care of the rest. Everybody knows what a Roomba is. However, determining the best model this company has made so far was a tough task. However, when you see all that this little guy has to offer, our decision to make it the winner of Best Roomba Vacuum contest will be perfectly clear. First of all, Roomba 980 comes with a companion app, iRobot Home, that allows you to clean, schedule, and even customize your cleaning preferences from your smartphone. Another great thing related to controlling this device is the fact that you can control it with your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant devices. It also offers clean map reports that allow you to see where this Roomba has cleaned. You even have the option to turn on notifications for cleaning status updates. When it comes to cleaning, this little Roomba is a real champ. It cleans thoroughly thanks to its iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization. The Aeroforce cleaning system is in charge of loosening, lifting, and suctioning dirt with up to 10 times more power than similar robot vacuums offer. It can run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge. When its battery is almost empty, this Roomba will go to the charging station, recharge, and then get back to cleaning from where it left off. If you're worried that this robot vacuum won't be able to tackle your thick carpets, you can always use the Power Boost option for optimal cleaning power. And the feature we appreciate a lot, even though it isn't crucial, is this robot vacuum's powerful Aeroforce filter that captures 99% of particles, pollen, and allergens. When it comes to the price, the best Roomba robot vacuum will cost you around $800. On the one hand, this robot vacuum is really amazing. Its tangle-free brushes handle pet hair without a hitch. Its Alexa and Google Assistant functionality is great, and its sensors are perfectly precise, so you don't have to worry if it will find its way under and around your furniture. On the other hand, it does have some flaws. According to users, it tends to skip deeply black surfaces, and its sensors can recognize tall carpets as cliffs. Second on our list is Eufy RoboVac 11, our choice for the best value per dollar robot vacuum. If you're looking to get the best value per dollar when you're buying a robot vacuum, this RoboVac model is definitely what you need. Thanks to its versatile cleaning modes, this RoboVac can clean under tables and chairs and along every nook imaginable. To ensure that the surfaces it cleans end up truly spotless, this robot vacuum has a 3-point cleaning system with side brushes, a rolling brush, and powerful suction. Although it isn't insanely expensive, this little guy offers strong suction power for up to 90 minutes, which means it can clean along with most top-of-the-line products. When its battery is almost empty, this RoboVac will automatically go to its charging station and recharge, so you'll never find it dead in the middle of the floor. The additional premium features this model offers are really great. It is covered with anti-scratch tempered glass for protection, it has an advanced infrared sensor that enables it to avoid obstacles, and a drop sensing technology that helps it to avoid falls. This robot vacuum doesn't stop to surprise us at every step. It even has a high-performance triple filter system that will take care of allergens and microscopic particles on your floors. When control is in question, this robot vacuum doesn't have a companion app, but you do get a remote controller with it. Designed to clean thin carpets, hardwood floors, and pet hair, this little guy won't disappoint. And here's the most relevant point, the price. This robot vac model comes in at about $360. We know the price seems almost too good to be true, but that's why we deem it's the best value per dollar vacuum on the market at the moment. On the one hand, this robot vacuum has some serious advantages. It works wonderfully quietly, it navigates over floors without much hassle, it doesn't miss spots, and it can clean for quite a while before needing emptying. On the other hand, it does come with some small disadvantages as well. This robot vacuum isn't suitable for very dark colored floors and high pile carpets. And its lens can get scratched over time, causing it to bump into things instead of avoiding them. Third on our list is iRobot Roomba 690, our choice for the best budget robot vacuum. If you want the very best robot vacuum for the smallest price possible, then this Roomba model is what you're looking for. Small and reliable, this robot vacuum is made for carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. The sleek, lovely design of this Roomba will complement your home without looking awkward while it finds its way around it. This Roomba comes with some seriously advanced features considering its price. It has a dual-mode virtual wall barrier that enables you to control better where it cleans. It also comes with a 3-stage cleaning system that successfully cleans everything from small particles to large debris with the help of dual multi-surface brushes. If you've always struggled to keep certain high-traffic zones of your home clean, this Roomba will make that problem a thing of the past. It has patented dirt detector sensors that allow it to work harder on such problematic areas. Another great thing about this robot vacuum is the fact that it comes with a companion app, the iRobot Home. It is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and it allows you to clean and schedule regardless of where you are. Thanks to its edge-sweeping brush and automatically adjusting cleaning head, this Roomba is able to clean every nook and cranny in your home without getting stuck. Price-wise, this is definitely the best budget robot vacuum on the market at the moment. However, you don't have to worry. It's not just a cheap piece of tech that you'll have to throw away after a few months. You can find it for as little as $350. On the one hand, you will love using this robot vacuum. Its runtime is about 60 minutes, which makes it perfect for smaller homes. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, it learns over time, and it doesn't scratch precious hardwood floors. On the other hand, even the best products have some flaws. This Roomba is meant for dry floor use only, and you shouldn't operate it in areas where exposed electrical outlets are on the floor. It is a bit louder, its bin doesn't have a large capacity, and it doesn't always find its way back to the battery before it empties. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Fourth on our list is iRobot Roomba 960, our choice for the best robot vacuum for pet hair. If your pet is the bane of your home's floors, then this robot vacuum is just the thing you need to solve the problem. It is definitely the best robot vacuum for pet hair that we have seen on the market so far. This Roomba, just like every other in this video, comes with a companion app that allows you to schedule its cleaning and customize cleaning preferences. It is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. It also gives you clean map reports, so you can see exactly which areas have been cleaned. Through the companion app, you don't just get scheduling and customization control, you also get access to tips, support, notifications, and much more. Thanks to its iAdapt 2.0 navigation, it will clean an entire level of your home without missing spots. It won't move in a grid pattern though, it will weave instead, but you will have spotless floors as a result. But what makes this robot vacuum the best one for pet hair? It's the combination of Roomba's patented AeroForce cleaning system that will loosen dirt, lift and suction it, and its brushes that will take care of pet hair without a hitch. This Roomba can run continuously for up to 75 minutes before it goes to recharge. After recharging, it will resume cleaning from the point where it stopped previously and will work until it completes its task. Thanks to a bunch of smart sensors, this robot vacuum can even find dirt where it hides most successfully, under beds, sofas, and other places that are hard to reach. The high-efficiency filter is perfect if you have pets, as it captures 99% of all particles, allergens, and pollen that reside on your floors. And yes, the price. This Roomba's price is just shy of $600, a bit steep even for the best robot vacuum for pet hair. On the one hand, this robot vacuum has some strong positive sides, powerful suction, decent runtime, and it will pick up every hair no matter how much your pet sheds. On the other hand, it does have some flaws that might stop you from buying it. It doesn't always make it to the charger, it's rather noisy on carpets, and it can get stuck in random places without obstacles. Last on our list is Neato Botvac D7, our choice for the best overall robot vacuum. At first glance, this robot vacuum doesn't look like much. Its shape is rather awkward, and its color doesn't stand out. On this Neato model, we've learned not to judge a book by its cover. Even its strange shape adds to its value and contributes to being the best overall robot vacuum at the moment. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room, the unusual D shape. Botvac D7 is strangely shaped so it can get into corners and clean them thoroughly. It also has a large core brush that ensures perfect results. Thanks to laser smart technology, this robot vacuum navigates and maps your home. That enables it to clean in straight lines instead of cleaning in random patterns. Of course, this Neato model has an amazing app that allows you to control your robot vacuum from your smartphone and via Alexa devices. The app offers numerous useful options. You can target the trouble areas with the zone cleaning option. You can tell your robot which areas to avoid with no-go lines if you want to avoid it going into cluttered rooms. With the multiple floor plan mapping, you can save up to 3 maps, one for each floor of your home. The running time of this little guy is 120 minutes, and it can tackle any floor type and clean it thoroughly. Now, we know that the price can be a breaking point, even when the best overall robot vacuum is in question. If you think that this Neato model will cost you an arm and a leg, you aren't far from being right, as its price tag is set at $728. On the one hand, this robot vacuum is really amazing. Its unique D shape allows it to clean corners and edges better than round models. Its navigation is amazing, the app is very well designed and functional, the suction power and battery life are simply outstanding, and its filter will gather even the tiniest particles of dirt. On the other hand, it does have one flaw that might change your mind and make you go for a different model from our list. The price is rather high, so if you don't need all the additional features, you might want to skip it. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.